Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Livingnish Copper Water Bottle. And so I do want to thank Livingnish for actually gifting this to me. And so my wife and I, we both needed more water bottles because I'm not sure what happened to ours. Either we donated them or gave them away. So first off, we have the carbon water bottle. And what's neat about this is that it's reusable. It's 100% leak proof, especially with this filler plastic filament cap right here. It's also made of 100% pure copper and it is handmade. So you have basically a green way to actually go ahead and have a water bottle created. Now, the really good thing about this is that the bottle actually stays cold as well. And it also includes this nice carrying pouch. I'm always about being hands-free whenever it comes to water bottles. So although this doesn't have like a hook or loop to hang things on, you do have this neat carrying case which you can use to actually make it go around your shoulder or just hand carry it as well. But overall, I'd say that if you're looking for a nice decent water bottle that stays cold, is leak proof, and is reusable and long lasting, definitely check out this copper water bottle from Livingnish.